Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage exercises in the FitBod application. The very first thing you need to do is enter the app. After doing that, you will be presented down below with three options where to click. You need to click on the log option, and after that in the top of your right corner you have to click on the settings option. You need to scroll down a little bit and you will see right below the notifications the manage exercises option. Press that, and here if you want to see any specific exercise, for example the app skips, you click on it and you can see here that it has video and instructions and also has an exercise history. So basically how many times you have done it. In my case I have no data registered to this specific exercise, and you can also look for a video or instruction that will show you how to do this exercise basically. And it's really helpful because it doesn't just describe it, but it also shows in a video format. So for short, this is all that I wanted to show. I really hope this video was helpful to you, and see you on another one. So bye bye.